Let's learn preposition of place. Preposition of place. Under. The dog is under the tree. The dog is under the tree. In. The dog is in the dog house. The dog is in the dog house. In front of. The dog is in front of the dog house. The dog is in front of the dog house. Beside. The dog is beside the dog house. The dog is beside the dog house. Behind. The dog is behind the dog house. The dog is behind the dog house. Between. The dog is between the dog house and the tree. The dog is between the dog house and the tree. On. The dog is on the dog house. The dog is on the dog house. Above. The butterfly is above the dog. The butterfly is above the dog. Hope you learn and enjoy the video. Keep watching Jojo Kids channel. Thank you.